Ekuirwo ana NIMAIKITIE ngono mwena wa Lunga Lunga guku Nairobi magikuruhanio na wici wa bataraitha na irio cia uteithio. Ana aya maikirio ngono ni maafitha a borithi barabara-ini ya Nanyuki.
Ini relief hata iko na.
Kuringana na munene wa borithi kaunti ya Nairobi Adamson Bugei, bataraitha ino na irio ici ciagwo na gucoka kwenderio kambuni itiganite bururi-ini wa India na gutiga aria mabataire kugunika nacio guku bururi-ini matari na kindu.
There was some illegal business going on within this particular go down, which is within Lunga Lunga, within the areas of Nanyuki Road, and our teams who are on the ground were able to come, or rather to check in, and in their normal operation they were able to find that there was some packaging of the local fertilizer which was meant to be the subsidy.
Bugei igite ihinda-ini riri ni maithukitio mihuko 1,360 ya mucere, 200 ma mbembe na mihuko ingi 50 ya fertilizer cietwo na irari mubango-ini wa guciendia.
The fertilizer is actually a numbering of 50,000 bags. And the 50,000 bags is going for 4,640 in the local market. If you do the sum calculation, you can get a figure on that. But we are yet to find out exactly why they're doing the repackaging of the same, which is contrary to the regulation of the business in the market.
Mukana ni rutitwo kuri aria marekuruhania na wici wa thuguri ino na megutacokerio makinya marumu ma kiwatho.
We are looking on this, and our investigators now have taken the matter, and we believe that very soon we shall unravel those who are buying the syndicate of this business.
Ekuirwo aya ni matanyitwo gukinyio igoti-ini na thitango cia wici. Ribotera Kameme TV, jitagwo Wirimu wa Kimani.